watch him definitely now.
He gonna be jumping in the bathtub and shit. Jumping in the lake once he fill up during hurricane season.
He gonna jump on you too.
He sure is. It was for being nice to the sun beaming on me. It feel hot.
Never know how far to go though.
Yeah, he know not to go too deep. Oh, this guy got him a ball.
We gotta get away from this gate, man.
Leo!
Unless you're ready to walk.
Bring it back.
Leo.
He done made a friend.
His ears are up. That means he's like...
Oh, is that what it means? Leo said he ain't going too deep. You back, buddy? You back? Don't get mom wet. Oh, he threw the water everywhere on me. Yeah. It's a cool dog park, huh?